Today we're going to bring a new shaver, and this one has 7 blades. They're all balanced out easy. They're all flexible. It comes with extra accessories. We got your nose trimmer, your little shaver, your brush. You could scrub or wash your face, or actually use it to put some shaving cream on it. And then your charging station. Another brush. This is actually a softer one. It's a silicone one. It's actually pretty good to any kind of medications or anything you want to put on your face. If you suffer from acne or anything like that, this is a really good one. And then a little brush to clean it all out. Now, if you guys can see it, silver. Look at this. It looks like a knight's face in here. To turn it on, there's an on button in here, and it tells you how much percentage it has. And we're gonna actually shave ourselves here with this and see how well it works. I like that they give you the protector cover, so I like that feature a lot. We're gonna go ahead and use it and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so today we're gonna shave with the machine and see how well it works. So first of all, make sure you wet your head if you're gonna shave your head, all right? So turn it on, 5. I'm gonna water it just a little bit so it could be a little moisture, and then just start rotating it in circles. Make sure you get the back end. So you don't really need any irritation. Just make sure you wet it. That's important when you're gonna shave. You wanna get a nice clean cut everywhere. And because it's 7 blades, it's gonna work itself really well all over your head, and you'll be done in minutes. Not seconds, of course, because I like this part. This is massaging your head, stimulating growth on your hair, which I don't really care about hair no more these days. So I'm pretty much done. I'm just going through, make sure that I'm getting the back end. And because I don't want to rash or burn, I wet everything, like I said. And then I put in some moisturizer and make sure I get it wet. Wet it just a little bit more. And you can see all the hair coming out, but it's waterproof, water resistance. Really simple, easy to use. Well, to clean it up, it's very simple. I'm still shaving a little bit, but just to show you how easy all of them open up. This is the center one. Now, these are replaceable. They do sell them online, and very simple. I like the one fact I didn't notice, that when you turn it on, I'm gonna show you guys, it lights up. You see that? It kind of shows you that it's lighting up. It's working itself out. I like that. It's a little indication that it's on, and it tells you how much percentage you have of the battery, how many times you used it, so forth. But these little things are awesome. They're flexible, easy to replace. The whole lid itself, you just put it in the center and you close every single one of them up. For maintenance and cleaning, is perfect. I would recommend you open them up, let them dry out before you actually start, using it again. Make sure it's nice and clean. Maintenance, it will last you for months. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.